Deciding when to retake the SAT or ACT. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to discuss an essential topic that many students grapple with after taking the SAT or ACT. Deciding when to retake. We all know that sometimes our test scores might not reflect our true potential. So, if you're considering a retake, this video is for you. We'll go through some important considerations to help you make an informed decision. First and foremost, before even considering a retake, it's crucial to analyze your test results. Did you score close to your target, or was there a significant gap? If you were just a few points off, it might be due to minor mistakes or test day jitters. On the other hand, a large gap might indicate areas of the syllabus you're not comfortable with. By understanding your score, you can better gauge what you're up against for a retake. The SAT and ACT aren't just any tests. They require dedication and thorough preparation. Ask yourself, how much time can I realistically dedicate to preparing for a retake? Are there specific areas I know I need to work on? Remember, simply retaking the exam without additional preparation isn't likely to boost your score significantly. This is a practical aspect you cannot ignore. When is the next available test date? Will the scores be out before your college application deadlines? You want to ensure you're not rushing and that your scores will be ready when you need them. Exams can be stressful, and sometimes our mental and emotional state can impact our performance. Before deciding on a retake, consider, how do I feel about undergoing the preparation and test-taking process again? Am I mentally prepared for the challenge, or do I need a break? Your well-being is crucial. Always prioritize it. Let's face it, these tests aren't free. Can you afford the registration fee for a retake? Are there fee waivers or discounts available that you can avail of? This is a practicality you should definitely factor into your decision. Deciding when to retake the SAT or ACT isn't just about wanting a higher score. It's about understanding where you stand, being aware of the time and effort needed, knowing the test schedules, assessing your emotional readiness, and considering the financial aspects. We hope this video has shed light on the key factors to consider. Remember, it's always about making the best decision for you. Good luck, and happy studying!